Do you have any idea how much it costs to be buried here? Do you want to leave that burden to your family? Fortunately, we have a solution that will fit your budget even if you're on a fixed income. I guarantee it. We specialize in working with people on a fixed income. When I say fixed income, I mean your main source of income is Social Security, SSI, or maybe a small pension. Now here's the problem. A funeral these days costs between $9,000 and $15,000. Who can afford to pay that kind of money when you're on a fixed income? The answer is burial insurance. Whether you want to be buried in a nice cemetery or if you just want a simple cremation with minimal fanfare, we have plans that are affordable and sustainable for your budget. As an example, a burial plan, and this is to be buried in a cemetery, for a 65-year-old female starts at $41 a month. A cremation plan starts at $22 a month. Click below to get your custom quote and learn more about your options. Our process here at Brand Insurance is very simple. We do a quick health assessment, won't take more than 2 minutes maximum. And based on that health assessment, we match you with the company that will look at your health in the best possible light. What that does, it makes sure that your family will receive the most amount of money possible when you pass away. Remember, we only work with the top-rated companies in your state. That means these companies literally have billions of dollars in their bank account. So there's no reason why your family shouldn't receive every single penny they're entitled to when you pass away. Click below for your no obligation health assessment and learn more about your options. Remember, it doesn't cost any money to complete your health assessment. It doesn't even cost any money to apply. All these plans, you don't have to make the first payment for up to 60 days. So don't worry about that. The most important thing, you want to find out if you qualify, what you qualify for, and then from there you can make a fully informed decision. One thing I did, I put together 3 case studies. These are all people that I've helped with in the past 2 weeks, just to sort of illustrate, what we can do and how we can help people. The first study here, names have been changed, obviously. I want to protect everyone's privacy. But Randy in Parkview, Iowa, he only wanted a simple cremation plan. He didn't want anything fancy, no big fancy funeral. He just didn't want the cost of the cremation to be a burden on his kids. So we found Randy a $5,000 cremation plan. He's 70 years old, excellent health, non-smoker. His plan, $36 a month. That price is never going to increase. That $5,000 is going to be paid out whether Randy passes away tomorrow or 50 years from now. It doesn't matter. To give you an idea, if you choose any random company, you could pay as much as $112 a month for that same plan. Randy's plan was $36 a month. Second case study, this is Elizabeth in Independence, Missouri. Elizabeth is a breast cancer survivor. She just completed chemotherapy treatment a little over 2 years ago. We couldn't find any company to give her the first day coverage. Well, I could, no one else could, but I was able to find her a company. They gave Elizabeth a $25,000 plan. So her family, her husband and her kids, they're gonna get $25,000 when she passes away. She's getting the same price as someone who's in perfect health. That's amazing. And that's what we were able to do for Elizabeth. The last one, Manuel in Sacramento. Manuel is very responsible. He's paid for his plot. He's paid for his funeral. He really, his need, his want, he wants to leave a gift to his daughter. She's been really good to him, and he wants to leave some money behind for her. Manuel had one of those policies where you have to pay into it for 2 years. Those policies they're very expensive. He had a $12,000 death benefit. He was paying $120 a month for that. We found Manuel a policy for that same money that he was paying. His daughter will now get $20,000 when he passes away. So she literally just made an extra $8,000 by spending 5 minutes on the phone with me. Those are just a few examples of how I've helped people just in the past week. Schedule a time below. It doesn't cost anything. There's no high pressure sales tactics.